Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do an instruction video on how to change the screen on my Honda SP1. It's currently red, double bubble, and I'm getting a bit bored with it, so I'm going to change it over for a black screen.
Grab it, dude.
Which is this one. If you can see that.
It's not quite as tall, is it?
Not quite as tall.
It's more of the original shape, I think.
But you can see it there. Nice little bubble on the top anyway. So we're going to see how that goes. Should be fairly easy to do.
Yeah, give you a bit of a review as well when we go out for a ride on it. Well, Jonathan will.
Well, yeah.
Obviously, with this being a lot lower, I think that is more like the standard shape you get. This is obviously the double bubble here, so
yeah.
It'd be interesting to see whether that, you know, you can feel it when you're riding with the wind and stuff.
This is a lot easier. This is a lot better with it being quite a big bump. It takes the wind pretty much right off your face, really, right off your face. But this has got a smaller one. It's a bit wider, so that might be okay. We'll just have to see how it goes. Hopefully it'll look better as well. So
right, let's get into it.
Yeah. Right, so we've just got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 bolts, and they've also got little rubber bungs in. Basically just have to unscrew them, and hopefully we just replace it easy enough. Let's get cracking. We've also got a little washer on that's just popped off, and we're using a 3mm hex head. Yep.
These are just like nylon washers, aren't they, that they've got on them?
Yeah. And I think, yeah, they've got a little...
I'd leave them on if they're not coming off, or
yeah.
if they come off.
Well, I'd rather just keep them on.
So they're like a rubber washer to go
Yeah.
underneath the
Just
nylon
across.
washer. Got one missing.
Yeah, I know. Pull that. Oh, there goes another one.
Shit, where's that one gone?
There and there. And there. I think that's
No,
it.
that one was one of mine. That was plastic.
And that is the screen loose. Will that do? Right, so that's the red one. I don't know if you can see that down there. You see how big that peak is compared to what the black one will be.
It will be interesting to see what the difference is when you're actually riding it.
Try and get them both together so you can see the difference. Oops, it's going to be difficult.
Go back towards the bike, that's what it's focusing there.
So it's going to be there. This is the red one. You see that one? See that?
Yeah, the black one's a lot wider, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what we're going to do here now is get these little grommets out. You can see there, and because the rubber's been in there for a little while, it's gone a bit awkward and stiff. So get yourself a heat gun, air dryer will do. Warm it up. Put yourself your screw in the backside like that. Easier if there's two of you as well, makes life so much easier.
Yeah.
And then as you're heating it up, if somebody grabs the other side with the pliers and just gently sort of coaxes it out,
Oh.
There we go. Touch your hands.
Yeah. It gets hot.
And it just pops out, nice and easy.
Job done.
So we'll do that with all of them, and we'll come back to you. Okay, so got all the little rubber grommets out of the red screen, and now it's just a case of installing them onto this one. So there's a little trick to it. John's going to show you how he does it.
So you just put it in the back, and you twist it.
Lower it down a bit.
Ooh. Get hold of it. Get one side in first. Start twisting it backwards and forwards, and eventually it should, with a little bit of force in, pop through.
There you go, all done. So we're going to do the rest and we'll come back to you. So all the rubber grommets are all back in, as you can see, all ready to go. So we'll just get you focused in on the bike and we'll get installing things. It's very simple on the Firestorm.
It's not a 5-star, it's an SP1.
It's a big 5-star.
Don't.
Alright, let's call it what it is. The Thunder Pig. It's very easy to take the screen on and off. In fact, it's unbelievably easy.
Should we do the top one first, shall we?
Yeah, just tell me when it's in.
Easier to. Let's get that bit. Won't do it too tight just yet.
I'm going to pop this one in this side.
Put it around this side.
There you go.
Just get hold of them.
It would be nice if they were black as well.
Yeah.
Or anodised red.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, that's not going in.
No.
No. Hold on. Let me bring it to. Can you tell me when you can see it?
Up a bit, if you can. There you go. Should get it. Yeah.
Just going a little bit further. That's not. I don't think that's gone in square. That. Now come out. Spoke too soon. Try that there now, dude. Go square in. Just gentle. Let it grab it for itself.
Got it?
Yeah.
We'll go over all these again in a minute.
So have a look at this one.
Get this one in here because that one's.
That one's miles off.
I think that one's.
Do you want to come and grab this one?
Let's do this one first.
There you go. You've got to push the screen down. There you go. That's grabbed it.
Yeah.
Got to push the screen down to get that one to line up. It's
Alright.
just off. That could be the way the screen's been made.
That one should be lined up already, hopefully. You might have to push it in though.
There you go. That one's grabbed. And that one.
So much easier with 2 people. Yeah?
Yeah. So I'd tighten the bottom ones up first. That'll do.
Not gonna overdo it. Just nip it a little bit.
There you go.
Just go over there out the way.
That's it. The last one. Good stuff. So, what do you think, guys? I think it's loads better than the red.
It does look a lot better than red, doesn't it?
Now, whether the functionality of it's better with it being lower, I don't know, but it is wider. The peak's wider.
The other thing I've noticed when you stand around this side, that peak has actually gone higher. Because before it was quite wound out.
It was only thin though, wasn't it?
But now you've got it fastened in, and you've tightened everything up. It's pulled it in, so then that's
A little bit higher.
a little bit higher up and made that a little bit more of a higher.
We had a quick look, didn't we?
Yeah.
And that one versus this one, in the middle on the peak, is about an inch difference on height, but it was only on a small part of the fairing, sort of, say that kind of like that much there.
It might have changed a little bit now. It might not be as much now. We'll see. Right, alright guys, that's it for this video. The installation of a new black screen. So hopefully you'll follow us next time. We're going to leave a link for the social media for Instagram, TikTok and Twitter and so on. So, like, subscribe, and
We'll see you soon.
We'll see you soon.
Oh, before you go, where did you get your screen from?
This screen I bought this from a place called Skidmark in UK.
We'll leave a link for you if you're interested in getting one for your SP1.
Yeah.
I think they're doing for all sorts of bikes, don't
They
they?
do for everything, yeah, they do loads of stuff, yeah.
But we'll leave a link on there for their website. Go and have a goosey gander, see what you can find. But subscribe, hit the like button, give us a share, follow us on social media. See you soon, guys.